Meaning of furious.
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 Furious. The word furious is an adjective that describes a state of extreme anger or rage. When someone is furious, they are filled with intense feelings of anger, frustration, or hostility. This can lead to behaviors such as shouting, slamming doors, or even physical violence. Furious people may be unable to control their emotions and may act impulsively, without regard for the consequences of their actions. The result of such outbursts is often damage to relationships, property, or even physical harm. It is important to address any feelings of fury in a constructive manner, rather than acting out in destructive ways.